Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show how you can correctly pay your Visa bill online in your RBC. It's very easy to do. For this, first log into your RBC online banking. Go to the RBC website on your browser and log into your RBC online banking account using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, then create a new one. After logging in, click on Pay Bills and Transfer Funds from the main dashboard. This will take you to the Bill Payment section. Under the Pay a Bill section, find your RBC Visa card. If you have already set it up as a payee, it should be listed. If not, click Add a Payee, then search for RBC Visa and enter your credit card number when prompted. Now enter the amount you want to pay. You can choose to pay the minimum payment, full balance, or a custom amount. Then choose your payment account. Select the RBC bank account you want to pay from. Ensure that you have enough funds available in your account before confirming the transaction. Double check all the details, your card number, payment amount, and selected bank account. Once everything looks correct, click Submit or Confirm to process the payment. After submitting, you should see a confirmation message. Payment may take up to 2 business days or to reflect on your RBC Visa account. You can check the status in your transaction history section. And that's it. That's how you can pay your Visa bill online in RBC.